In this video, I'll show you how to copy trade on Bybit. I'll guide you to find experienced traders with large capital, not newcomers with small accounts. If you don't have a Bybit account yet, check the video description. Click the link to access this page. By registering through this link, you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses. For new users, the more active you are, the more rewards you'll get. Simply enter your email and password, then click to claim your welcome bonus here. After registering a Bybit account, download the Bybit app from the App Store or Google Play to log in. Once logged in, click More and scroll down to the J section. Then go to Copy Trading. Next, go to All Traders and use the filter option. Set it to 90 days to see traders active for over 90 days with golden rankings. These are experienced Bybit users. Apply these two filters and Bybit will show you long-term traders with golden rankings, like this trader named Anyuta. The win rate in the last 90 days is 99.81%. There are 799 traders copying this person. All win rates are above 80%. You can copy any of these traders. To see detailed stats, just click on their profile. You can view info for 7, 30 or 90 days. Once you copy them, you'll see their capital. Scroll down to see they only trade XRP and DOC in the last 30, 90 days. In 90 days, they've only traded XRP and Doge with 1305 total trades. Some copiers have earned $136,000. One has copied for 198 days over 6 months. They've made significant profits. This is 76,000 dong and they have copied it for 129 days, over 3 months. All these people have copied for 3 to 6 months and most of them are making a profit of over $10,000. This person has only copied for 14 days, but their profit has already reached $4,649. Many people have earned profits from copying this person. Let's move on to the next top trader. They are trading coins like Shinu, Solana, 1000 Bybit, and others. The orders show their current trades, with some at -2%, others at 3% or 5% profit. They are using up to 3x leverage. Now let's take a look at the people who have copied this trader. The person who has earned the highest profit is B with $133,000. They have been copied for over 200 days and all of these copiers are making profits as well. In just 200 days, this person has only been copying for 16 days and their profit has already reached $8,000. These are all long-term, stable and profitable single players that you can copy. You can test them out here by clicking copy and starting with a capital of $200 to $300. Test it with $300 per person, and if anyone performs well, you can add more capital to them, at least $100. You can also test with $100 or $200. I currently have a $100 voucher available, so there's no risk of loss. If the total investment amount is $800, I'll turn it off for now since I don't have enough funds. To get started, simply click copy now. If you want to customize the settings, you can do so by clicking add setting. Otherwise, just leave the default settings, enter your investment amount and click copy now. Alright, so you've successfully copied this person. If you don't want to copy anymore, just click here, hit unfollow, then config. That's it, you're no longer copying. Now let's go back and do the same for others. For this trader, your minimum capital should be $300. It's set to a $300 minimum here. Just put in at least $300, then simply click copy now. That's it, you're copying them. When they trade, you'll automatically follow their moves. If you want to copy others, just click copy if you have enough funds. For this one, you need at least $500. If you don't have enough, you can choose others below with lower minimums. All these require $500. That's all for my copy trading tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you don't have a Bybit account yet, click the link in the description to sign up and start copy trading. You can get a welcome bonus of up to $30,000.